Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon gift card to your Prime Video account. This is a great way to use your gift card balance for Prime Video rentals, channel subscriptions, or any other content purchases without needing to attach a credit card. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this menu bar and a drop-down will appear. From the options presented, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon account. Here, click on Gift Cards. This option gives you access to everything related to gift card management, including checking your balance and redeeming new cards. Once you're in the gift cards section, look at the upper left panel of the screen. You'll see an option that says Redeem a gift card. Click on this to proceed. This is where you'll actually apply your gift card balance to your account, making it available for use across Amazon services, including Prime Video. Now you'll see a designated field appear on your screen. This is where you'll enter your Amazon gift card code. Type in the code carefully, making sure each character is entered correctly. These codes are usually case sensitive, so double check before moving forward. After entering your code, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will process the gift card and add the funds directly to your account balance. You might see a confirmation message pop up letting you know the exact amount that's been added. This balance is now available for you to use. Here's the important part. Your gift card balance now funds Prime Video purchases like rentals, channels, or subscriptions. Whenever you rent a movie, subscribe to a channel like HBO or Paramount Plus, or make any other purchase on Prime Video, the system will automatically use your gift card balance first before charging any other payment method on file. This gives you full control over how you spend your gift card funds and ensures you can enjoy Prime Video content without worrying about additional charges. And that's it. You've successfully added your Amazon gift card to your account, and it's ready to use for all your Prime Video needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.